Hey man, look at that car over there. 1996 Impala SS. Want to go look at it and check with the guy who works here, the dealership? Okay, that's a nice Chevrolet. Hey man, this is a used car dealership. We get all your classic cars. This is the 1996 Impala SS. Mine want to take a look inside? Well, sure man. I got my video camera because I want to show this to my family, so to show them what they'll think of my car or the car I'm looking at. Nice leather seats. Thanks, man. Hey, man, this car's too small for me. Even though I'm in the painting business, I'm sitting in here. It's way too small for me. I think I'm gonna go get myself a Ford truck. What? How could you? How dare you? Heck, I don't care. You're a weirdo. Hello. Now there's the Ford used truck I want. It might look old, but man, is it cool. It even comes with a dog. Woof! Woof! Hey, I want that car too. Hey man, I spotted it first. Go back to your Chevrolet dealership. What if I don't want to? I said get out of here, gay man. Did you just push me, man? Well, yeah, I want this car too. You are so gay. Did you just punch me, man? Well, yes, you being acting so gay, 'cause this is my truck. Ha ha ha. Hey man, I really want that truck. Stop it! Let me get it! I want it! Please! Ha ha ha, I have an orange cap. So? I do too, and you're really gay. Well, I'm gonna get it, no matter what. You stupid gay mod! I'm gonna get you! Even the dog likes me! Woof! Woof! No you won't! No you won't! You'll never get me! Ha ha ha! I told you, you're so lame! Hey man, you are lame. Did you just kick me? Yeah, I did! Ow! Oh my god! Oh, jeez man! He just slammed me on the hood! Oh my god! I'm gonna get this truck! How you liking it now? I think I'm bleeding! I'm dying! Oh my god! Now I think I'll take the Chevy and the Ford. How proud will my family be?